Welcome to Bizworld, I'm Nurin Razmyn. The government has introduced an internship matching grant worth 30 million ringgit under Talent Corp to bolster internship placement among local SMEs and startups. Known as the Industrial Training Matching Grant Initiative, or LIKES, Human Resources Minister Stephen Sim Chee Kiong said it is expected to benefit some 30,000 interns over a period of 3 years.
Saya yakin dengan adanya grant padanan LIKES, mungkin kita akan mendapat sekurang-kurangnya untuk syarikat-syarikat yang lebih kecil, syarikat-syarikat yang bertempat di tempat-tempat yang contohnya di pantai timur. Mereka mempunyai peluang yang lebih banyak untuk melaksanakan program amali.
The program, together with the existing National Structured Internship Program, MySIP, which involves between 500 and 600 companies, will provide work readiness and offer allowances during the training period. Meanwhile, employers can also utilize up to 50% of their levy balance in HRD Corp towards the Industrial Training Scheme, ITS, starting this year. The ceiling limit for monthly internship allowances claimable for each intern under the ITS scheme has also been removed. The Employees Provident Fund, EPF, has committed up to 250 million ringgit to a Pan-Asian venture capital firm, Gobin Partners, to invest in Malaysia's mid-to-growth stage companies as part of its domestic push. The investors will focus on 6 strategic themes, which include healthcare, focusing on aged care and silver economy, agriculture and food science, financial services inclusivity, and social infrastructure. As at December 2023, the EPF is already the largest investor in the domestic market, with an asset under management of 702 billion ringgit. The country's trade for performance continued its positive trend in February, growing by 3.3% to 211.7 billion ringgit. According to Investment, Trade and Industry Ministry, MITI, the total trade registered growth for the second consecutive month this year reached the highest monthly value for February in trade history. MITI also noted that exports reduced slightly to 111.3 billion ringgit, while imports rose by 8.4%. The trade surplus was valued at 10.8 billion ringgit, marking the 46th consecutive month of surplus since May 2020. The ministry stated that compared to January, the trade surplus expanded by 6.9%. Local institutions continued their net buying of Malaysian equities for the third consecutive week at 575.8 million ringgit last week. According to MIDF research, local institutions were net buyers throughout the week except for Monday. The research firm said sectors with the highest net foreign inflows were property, construction and transportation, while the sectors that recorded the highest net foreign outflows were financial services, plantation and energy. In terms of participation, the research house said that the average daily trading volume rose across all investor classes, with local retailers seeing an increase of 13.9%, while local institution and foreign investors saw increases of 11.2% and 30.1% respectively. Bursa Malaysia closed marginally higher as investors exercised caution before a series of significant central bank meetings this week. According to analysts, the markets are awaiting the US Federal Reserve and the Bank of Japan's decision on interest rates. At 5 p.m., the FBM KLCI closed 0.81 points higher to 1,553.64. Market breadth was positive, with gainers leading decliners 546 to 480, while 476 counters were unchanged. That's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Nurin Razmyn. Keep tuning in to TV3.